Looking for a reliable water dispenser manufacturer from Taiwan? Backed by decades of manufacturing experience, Buder delivers clean, safe, and energy-efficient drinking water solutions worldwide. As a professional manufacturer of water dispensers and water purifiers, Buder combines advanced engineering, rigorous quality control, and sustainable design to meet the evolving needs of global markets. With these certified manufacturing and compliant products, every solution is built for dependable long-term performance. Recognized with the prestigious Taiwan Excellence Award, Buder stands as a trusted symbol of Taiwanese manufacturing excellence. Our dedicated R&D team continuously drives product innovation, ensuring Buder stays ahead in a competitive global market. At the core of Buder's innovation is our patented vacuum insulation tank technology. Its double-walled vacuum insulation design improves heat retention and reduces unnecessary reheating, significantly lowering energy consumption. Featuring a large opening stainless steel inner tank for easy cleaning and an electropolished surface treatment that resists rust and corrosion. The tank ensures cleaner water quality and extends product lifespan. A smarter, greener choice for today's global market. With 80% in-house manufacturing, Buder provides consistent quality and complete OEM, ODM solutions. From product development to conservation and after-sales support, supporting customers across major global markets. Our flexible manufacturing capabilities allow us to adapt quickly to specific market demands and customer requirements. From initial concept to final delivery, we are committed to being your dependable long-term manufacturing partner. Buder Pure Water, better life.